In my previous class, I have explained planetary wind system. I have explained planetary wind system, periodic winds, then local winds. Now I am going to discuss variable winds. So first thing, what do you mean by variable wind? So the definition is variable wind is the wind blowing due to sudden rise in pressure variations. That means the wind is formed, okay, just because of the change of pressure. And I hope that it is very clear of you that pressures, atmospheric pressures, are mainly two types: high pressure and low pressure. And some places of the earth's surface, sometimes high pressure is from there and sometimes low pressure is from there. So variable winds mainly we can classify into two types. One is cyclonic wind, or another one is anticyclonic wind, or cyclone or anticyclone. So first one is cyclone. So when we are discussing cyclone, that time we should to clear some facts, just like the definition or how the cyclonic condition or cyclone is formed, their types and characteristics. First one is, what is cyclone? Just you consider in one place of earth, if there is any low pressure zone, then the surrounding area, that means when the temperature of a particular area increases, that means low pressure zone is created. And when low pressure zone is created, outwards of the low pressure zone there is high pressure zone. And the normal nature or trend of the wind always blows from high pressure to low pressure. That is why in case of cyclone, you see here in the center there is low pressure zone, and outwards the pressure is increasing. So the wind is coming to the center of this particular cyclone. Okay, this is cyclone. And in case of northern hemisphere, the direction of the cyclone is anti-clockwise, and in case of southern hemisphere, this is clockwise direction. And then the types of cyclone. Cyclones are mainly two types. One is tropical cyclone and another one is temperate cyclone. Then tropical cyclone, that means the cyclone that are mainly formed in the tropical region, and the temperate cyclone that are formed in the temperate region. So now the characteristics, some characteristics or few characteristics of cyclone. Number one, the speed of the wind up to about 160 km/h. And cyclone, in case of our country, Ayla, okay, Hudhud, Bulbul, these are mainly Phony, these are mainly the under tropical cyclone. Okay, so and due to western disturbances, the temperate cyclone is formed in our country also. So now these are the main facts. And in case of tropical cyclone, the atmospheric weather, that means tropical cyclones are destructive, stormy and rainy weather result of mainly the results of this cyclone. And in temperate cyclone is less destructive, and due to its drizzle is formed. Okay, then another one is anticyclone. So important thing, what do you mean by anticyclone? So boys, see, anticyclones are the vice versa of tropical or cyclone. Okay, cyclone. So anticyclone means, you see, in case of cyclone, low pressure zone is created in the center of the cyclone, but in case of anticyclone, high pressure zone is created in the center. Okay, so when the atmospheric pressure of a particular area is high, in the center of that particular anticyclonic area, in the center there is high pressure, and outward there is low pressure. So from the center to the outwards the wind is uh, moving or deflected, and this is called anticyclone. See, here is high pressure, and you see 1020 MB, the center of the atmospheric pressure in that particular region, and here is 1012 millibar. So here is the pressure in that particular region is less compared to that region, so wind is uh, wind is going outward from the center of the anticyclone. So this is the inverse, or the inverse of anticyclone. Okay, and in case of anticyclone, the prevalent wind speed in an anticyclone is much less. Okay, and generally fair, cloudless, dry, and sunny weather is the main characteristics of anticyclone. So these are the main characteristics, and in case of high latitudes, anticyclones are formed. So these are the main characteristics and types of tropical cyclone and anticyclone. Okay, thank you.